areas assigned to your playing category. Sunod-sunod na tadua, running time tanan. Hapit na 9 p.m.
Next, may Cuenca Torrens. Please raise your hand, Cuenca Torrens. Del Pozo Emmanuel. Stand up.
Please prepare. Under 14, Advanced Committee. Minus 40 kilograms. Proceed to Tatami Queen.
For juniors advanced male committee, please prepare Alikaya Johan Carl, Aka, Del Rama Griffin Au, Akos Chris Aka,
Cadets advanced male committee minus 52 kilograms. Please proceed to Tatami 1 right now. Once again, cadets advanced male committee minus 52 kilograms. Please proceed to Tatami number 1 right now. All right side, Sugabo, Akaba, 4, Yanmera, Ilaya, Bumanoy, Patihan. Blue side, Mangikis, Anshano, Verana, Pasquete, Ling, Arwa, Berame, and Borja. All players sold for cadets advanced main committee minus 52 kilograms. Please proceed to Tatami number 1. And be ready. Finals na? Maghuwag pa ta? No. Let's proceed to the next one.
Garo Jan,
Proceed pa.
Garo Jan, please raise your hand. Again, Garo Jan, please raise your hand.
Okay. Sugabo and Mangikis. Okay na mo? Wala ko. Lasuro mo. Sige, go. Sige, go.